Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Guys, today in this video we'll make a basic model by using extrude tools. You can see here in your screen, this is the sketch of the model that we are going to make here. You can read it for a few seconds. Just read the models. So let's open a part. Click on the new. Click on the part. I'll choose here millimeter gram second. So I'll be choosing here font plane. So click on the font plane and take a sketch. So I'll select a circle. Circle is having the diameter. Actually the radius has given 12, so I'll be giving here 24 and we can change it from here itself into radius. Now I will select a line and I will make a sketch as it is, then we will change the dimension. So go like this, make it like this, come down, which is like this, and just join over here. Now you see here, I'll be giving the overall dimension first. Click on this line, hold shift key and click on this arc and give the dimension. The value is 84. So click on here and give the value 84. Next, I'll be giving this radius which is 32. So give there the radius 32. And give the relation this point and this point merge, and we have to give one height here. The overall height is 72. This here to here height is 72 minus 24. Just go with this. Okay, now you can see my sketch is fully defined. Now I have to trim this part. Just click on the trim, just go with this. Okay, and exit from the sketcher, click on the extrude tool and extrude it. I'll extrude it on reverse directions and I'll be giving the extrude height as per our drawing 40. So click on this and just go with this. Okay, now you can see I'll just take one more sketch over here. Select the line, this and this edge and this edge. Select this edge and this edge, click on the tools called convert entities, then select a line and just make a close profile. Now exit from the sketcher and extrude it and extrude this component up to 16 plus 24, which is 40. Just go with this. Okay, now you can see here again I'll be choosing this face and click on the sketch. I'll make a sketch. So take a line, start from this point, make something like this, come like this and just make an arc which is like this, and we can close this sketch also. I'll be giving the dimension here 16. So give the radius here 16 and I'll convert this line into vertical and this height is 32. So click on this and give the height 32. So I'll just give the relation this line vertical, this and this, give the relation tangent, go with this. Okay, now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined. So now I will take the lines and I'll close this. Click on the extrude, I'll extrude it. The extrude thickness is 24 mm, so give there 24. Now just go with this. Okay, here you can see. Now I will select this face and click on the sketch. I'll make this shape. You can see here click on this, make the basic shape like this, just come like this, come down like this, and make the sketch like this and make it fully defined. Fine, I have to give the dimension. The first dimension from here to here, this is 8. So for this line we will be giving the dimension 16, and here this dimension is 8. Select the lines, give the dimension 8 mm, make it close sketch. Now you can see here your sketch is getting ready. Just exit from the sketcher and extrude it. There I'll be selecting here up to surface. You can go with the value also. Now you can see here model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.